Alignment of a type C field in a report is left aligned. The reverse statement only takes effect if output is written to the subsequent page. No blank pages are created and it's defined a block of lines that must be output as a whole, true or false.
True.
You can change the width of pages within list level triggered by page breaks, true or false.
False.
How would you suppress the display of a parameter on the selection screen?
Parameters p tag no display.
How can symbols or R3 icons be output on the screen?
Write symbol name as symbol. Write icon name as icon.
In the statement write 1510 of a listener, what do the number 15 and 10 stand for? 15 stands for the offset on the screen and 10 stands for the field length displayed.
Sorry, sir, I don't know the answer of this question.
The total number of date formats that can be used to display a date during output is month, date, year, day, month, year, day, month, year, month, day, year, month, day, year, month, day, year, year, month, day.
Sorry, sir, I don't know the answer of this question.
Data can be moved from one field to another using a write statement and stored in the desired format. True or false?
True. Write date 1 to date 2 format. Date, month, year.
In order to skip column, the command use is position n.
Sorry, sir, I don't know the answer of this question.
Like uline, the statement vline is used to insert vertical lines. True or false?
False.
The fields specified by select options and parameters statement cannot be grouped together in the selection screen. True or false?
False.
In order to suppress the leading zeros of a number field, the keywords used are no zeros.
Sorry, sir, I don't know the answer of this question.
Rounding off of values can be carried out using the write statement. True or false?
True.
For each new event, the system resets all formatting options to their default values. True or false?
True.
The processing block following end of page is processed only if you reserve lines for the footer in the line count options of the report statement. True or false?
True.
What is the limit for the length of a page if the page length is not specified in the report statement?
60,000 lines.
To designate fields as hotspot at runtime, use format hotspot assign edge.
Sorry, sir, I don't know the answer of this question.
For each select options statement, the system creates a selection table. True or false?
True.
Specify the default alignment for the following field types: D left, F right, N left, I right, T left.
Sorry, sir, I don't know the answer of this question.
The under command allows for a vertical alignment of the fields one below the other.
Sorry, sir, I don't know the answer of this question.
In the statement write 1510 alpha listener, the values 15 and 11 can also be defined by variables. True or false?
False.
The skip to line number is dependent on the line count statement included in the report statement of the program.
Sorry, sir, I don't know the answer of this question, sir.
The no of decimal places for output can be defined within a write statement. True or false?
True. Write ftag decimals too.
In order to restore the system defaults for all changes made with the format statement is format reset. In order to have boundface text as output, the command used is write f intensified. Suppressing the number signs plus minus is carried out using the addition no sign to the right statement, true or false.
False.
If as time has the value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, how would you get an output of 12 colon 34 colon 56 within a single right statement?
Sorry, sir, I don't know the answer of this question.
In order to concatenate string only for output purpose, the command no gap can be used in conjunction with the right statement.
Sorry, sir, I don't know the answer of this question.
When calling an external report, the parameters or select options specified in the external report cannot be called, true or false.
False.
Type data type cannot be used to define parameters.
Sorry, sir, I don't know the answer of this question.
How would you define the exponents for a type F field?
Exponent E.
If the same formatting options were used for a right statement that follows the format statement, which settings would take precedence?
The setting in the right statement.
All formatting options have the default value of true or false.
True.
In order to skip a single line, the number of lines need not be given as an assignment, true or false.
True.
For each new event, the system resets all formatting options to their default values, true or false.
True.
The page footers is defined using the statement end of page.
Sorry, sir, I don't know the answer of this question.
To execute a page break under the condition that less than a certain number of lines is left on a page is achieved by reserve n lines.
Sorry, sir, I don't know the answer of this question.
Set the next output lines to the first line of a block of lines defined with the reverse statement. The statement back is used.
Sorry, sir, I don't know the answer of this question.
Hotspots are special areas of an output list used to trigger events. True or false?
True.
Horizontal lines created with uline and blank lines created with skip can be formatted as hotspots. True or false?
False.
Can you assign a match code object to a parameter? If so, how?
Yes, parameters p tag, match code object, object tag.
To position a set of parameters or commands on a single line on the selection screen, you must declare the elements in a block enclosed by selection screen begin offline or selection screen end offline.
Sorry, sir, I don't know the answer of these questions.
In the standard setting, you cannot create empty files with the right statement alone. True or false?
True.
If the variable text has the value ABCDEF, the output for the statement write text plus 2 3 will be CDE. Background and foreground colors can be interchanged using the command format inverse.
I don't know the answer of this question, sir.
Differentiate between the following two statements if any. Uline writes SYUline.
No difference except that unline is used to is used outside the right statement.
SYUZEIT has the value of 6 colon 3 4 colon 4 5. It can be displayed as 036445 using no added mask.
So sorry, sir, I don't know the answer of this question.
Selection text in the text elements of the program helps in changing the display names of variables in the parameters statement.
Sorry, sir, I don't know the answer of this question.
How would you format the output as left, centered or right justified using the right statement?
Left justified, centered, right justified.
How would you set the formatting options statically and dynamically within a report?
Statically, format option on off dynamically. Format option equal to var option 2 equal to var 2.